Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today I have skincare MPs with me and I have plenty to show you. The first thing I have is Purito Comfy Sunblock. This is a physical sunscreen and I finally could finish this, but I would recommend you to get the unscented version. This is a scented version because I couldn't get the unscented version that time. Then I have Excella Cipla Excella moisturizer. This is actually very good. I really enjoyed using this. This is non-comedogenic and has decent ingredients. Up next I have this Neogen Micro Ferment Serum and I could finish this and I ordered another one. Okay, I have mixed feelings about this product because this is actually very expensive and I expected a lot from this serum. It has very good ingredients but I saw average result. But I wanted to give it another chance because it really has good ingredients. So I ordered another one. Let's see. And I'm going to make a full review of this product very soon. So up next I have my favorite Cosrx Overnight Mask. This is their Honey Sleeping Mask and I really enjoy this product. As you know, if you have been watching my channel, you know this product. But I'm going to buy this for now because winter is here and I prefer richer moisturizers. So yeah, but this is very good. And up next I have this Sugandha Neem Green Tea Mask and I bought this long time back and finally I could finish this. But I'm going to repurchase this because I don't want to pay this much for Upton. I think I had to pay 800 for 60 grams and it was average, to be very frank. So I'm not willing to pay this amount of money for this Upton. Up next I have Safa Flaxseed Oil. I buy this every month because it works beautifully on my hair and scalp. This is the one oil I love. Now we have a face wash. This is from Bioderma and it is their gel cleanser. This cleanser is actually decent. It doesn't dry out my skin. It cleanses very well and I kind of like this one. I might buy this one again. Okay, so now I have a body lotion from Aveeno and this is my most favorite body lotion. This is their Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion and obviously I'm gonna buy this again because winter is here and I need to moisturize my skin extra. So up next I want to talk about this Conscious Chemist cleanser and people have found, recently I came to know that they have found molds in their moisturizers and I was so I checked this cleanser as soon as I could and I found green lumpy thing in here. It might be bad batch, I don't know, so I don't recommend this cleanser for now. And I'm so sorry if I have recommended this to you and you got defective product. I didn't see this coming. And this is the reason you need to use, like brands, they need to use good preservative in their formula. And Conscious Chemist, they're working on this thing. I hope they can solve this issue. But for now, I don't recommend this cleanser anymore from this brand. Very unfortunate. And really people got reactions, skin reactions. And I feel so bad, you know. I hope their skin heals soon because this is so bad. Okay, so up next I have this hair mask from the Body Shop, the Shea Butter hair mask. I love this. I repurchased this already and this is a product that made my hair very silky, smooth, manageable. I can't stop seeing praises of this product because I love this very much. I'm going to leave the full review of this product in the description box because this has good ingredients and texture is very good. Now I have this Moisture Surge from Clinique. It has good ingredients but I don't want to pay this much for a moisturizer, to be very honest, and it didn't do anything extraordinary for my skin. Though I didn't expect much from this thing because it is just a moisturizer, but still it's kind of meh and I don't want to buy this again, to be very honest. Up next I have this Bioderma Sensibio Forte. It is their facial moisturizer for sensitive skin. It has good ingredients and I might buy this. If you have sensitive skin, if you have redness, you can try this one from Bioderma. And I have another hair mask. This is from Recoil. This is another very good mask. So about this Body Shop mask, you will use this after washing your hair, and this Recoil mask you have to use this before washing your hair, and both of these masks are very good. But if I have to choose one, I'll choose this one. This worked better for my hair, but ingredients wise this has better ingredients. So yeah. Now Cica creams. I have used this Avene Cical Fit cream and their emulsion. I prefer this one over this. And my favorite, as you know if you have been watching my channel, is this Bioderma Cica Bio cream. And I have used plenty of these creams because my skin was irritated, so it needed healing, and these things helped me a lot. And okay, I have used this Sunjong emulsion as well, and this is really good, but this is almost always out of stock. Now I have this Namax D gel, and this is a niacinamide gel. It has panthenol, niacinamide, 4% niacinamide. I love this. I love what it does to my skin. This is very good. I'm gonna buy this again and again. Then I have one moisturizer, this Cetaphil Daily Advanced Moisturizer. This is another good product. If you're looking for no nonsense moisturizer, you can go for this one, especially during winter. I think it's gonna do a good job. But make sure your skin is okay with shea butter, because it has a good amount of shea butter and it has few oils as well. So yeah. Now I have one hair serum. I don't use hair serum anymore, but I have used this Evo Shea hair serum. It was okay. It has good ingredients. It has fragrance. I don't use this on my scalp, just for my hair. So yeah, this was decent, not bad, but I won't buy this again, because right now I don't use hair serums anymore. I don't find these things to be necessary. Next I have this Pixie Glow serum. It has 10% glycolic acid. It did not do anything for my skin, to be very honest, and it is very expensive for a chemical exfoliant, and I won't recommend this. I won't buy this again. So I have this micellar water from Garnier, and this is actually very good. It is cheap, no nonsense, has good ingredients, effective. So if you're looking for a micellar water, you can go for this one. Now I have this shampoo from the Body Shop Shea Butter shampoo. This is good, but I like Requil Hair Fall Control shampoo more. So I don't think I'm gonna buy this again. I might buy this, I'm not sure, but it was okay. It is a good product. It worked well for my hair. That's all pretty much. Okay, no, this Bioderma Atoderm Biome. This is actually good. I have been using this for my skin, body, neck. I don't use this on my face because I don't know why it feels sticky on my skin. So I like this for my body and neck, and this is pretty good. I'm gonna buy this again. So up next I have this avocado butter from Nature's Sack, I think. Yeah, and I use this for my hair as hair mask. It was decent, but recently I have been using this shea butter, and I kind of like this. I use this for my skin, my face, my hair, my neck, my hands as hand cream, and this is kind of good. I'm gonna make a video on shea butter very soon, and I just wanted to show you. See. And one more thing, I have found this channel on YouTube. The name of the channel is Hamamat, and she makes this video about how in Africa they make shea butter and everything, and I found those videos to be very interesting, and to be very honest, I felt fascinated about shea butter after watching her videos. So I'm gonna leave the videos down below, the links, and you will see how beautiful it is, how people make shea butter and how they have been using this. I think from then only I grew crazy about shea butter, and I'm really happy that shea butter is working for me, because there are many people whose skin don't like shea butter and their skin react to shea butter. Okay, one more thing, I had one empty container of Cosrx Nail Mucin essence. I don't know where I kept it. Okay, I forgot to show you. I finished this lipstick as well. This is from Maybelline, the Cherry Check, and yeah, I'm so proud I could finish one lipstick, because I never can finish lipsticks. So this is in a very bad shape though. I forgot about this. And I think that's all I have for now to show you, and I see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. See you very soon. Bye bye.